Hello guys, today we are going to implement Ndk in Android using Kotlin language. Ndk is used for secure our API keys and URL. I am Kairatyaru, welcome you all in this channel. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, and if you are new, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. So today we are going to implement Ndk. Ndk stands for Native Development Kit. We will write our API keys in C or C++ language and we will fetch the key in our Kotlin class. To implement Ndk, we will go through the 4 steps. So let's begin. I have also written the steps of implementing Ndk in our blog. You can get the URL in description. First, create an Android project. Make sure you have created project in Kotlin language. For implementing Ndk, we have to install Ndk Library. So, open setting and under SDK tool, you can find Ndk. Make sure you have installed this Ndk tool. Now, first step is to create JNI folder under main. So, right click on it and select directory. In the directory, we will write JNI. Now, in this JNI folder, we will create 3 files. First, right click on it and in the new tab, we will select file and name the file as android.mk file. Now, in this file, we will paste this code. Simply copy this code and paste it here. Now, in the JNI folder, we will create second file named as application.mk. In this file, we will copy this line. So, we have created 2 files. Now, it's time to create the main file named as API key. So, write api-keys.c. In this file, we will write our API keys. So, simply include the jni.h header file. Now, our third step is to link this file with Gradle. So, simply right click on it and click on link C++ project with Gradle. Here we have to select Ndk build and here we have to provide the path of android.mk file. So quickly find your project and give the path of android.mk file. So here is our android.mk file. Simply click on OK button. So Gradle is syncing. After these steps, the last steps, we have to write our getAPI function in our main class. Simply copy this code and open mainActivity.kt file. Here we will paste the code. As of now, this function shows the error. So right click on it and click on create JNI function. So here we can see the function is created. Now we will return some values to our project. So write your API key here. Now let's print our API key. So we can use API key anywhere in this class using this getKey function. If you have not subscribed to our channel, then subscribe our channel and do support. If you have any query, then do comment. I have also written these steps in our blogger page. You can find the link in description. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.